Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, as you know that we have completed our GK syllabus and we have started with the revision work once again. So if any one of you is didn't watch the videos that I have made before of the same topic, you can revise it from here now, and if you will be having any doubts, that will also be clear. Okay, so now again we have started with the unit 1, that is the natural world, and today we are going to start with the next topic of the first unit, that is animals in danger, given at page number 24. So class, kindly open your books at page number 24, that is animals in danger. I'll just write on the topic, that is animals in danger, given at page number 24. The topic is animal in danger. What is the meaning of animal in danger? So the meaning of animals in danger is that the species that are going existed day by day, extinct हो रही हैं, जो खत्म हो रही हैं दिन ब दिन. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, बहुत सारे स्पीशीज हैं जो दिन ब दिन खत्म होते जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो उन्हीं के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे. देयर आर सेवरल एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स एंड देयर स्पीशीज दैट आर गेटिंग एक्सटिंक्टेड डे बाय डे because of many reasons. Some reason is because of due to the lack of their habitat, क्योंकि उनके लोग, जैसे आपको पता है कि तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन दिन ब दिन होती जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से फॉरेस्ट कटते जा रहे हैं. एंड द एनिमल्स दे डोंट फाइंड सुटेबल एनवायरमेंट, दे सुटेबल हैबिटेट फॉर देमसेल्फ टू लिव. ओके, एंड अदर रीजन इज देयर सम एनिमल्स आर गेटिंग हंटेड. ओके, हंटिंग जो बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है हमारे. Okay, this is the hunting is also the second reason. Poaching. Okay, poaching means illegal hunting. ठीक है, जो hunting जो कि illegal मानी जाती है उसको poaching बोलते हैं. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे जो reasons हैं जिसकी वजह से some of the species that are getting extincted. Okay, so the government is taking several steps to save them. Okay, so now in this chapter we are going to discuss about the various animals that are getting extincted. So let's start with the topic. Many animal species are rapidly disappearing from the earth. These animals are called endangered animals. Read about some endangered animals here and find out why they are disappearing. So there, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया इंट्रोडक्शन में कि बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, उनके स्पीशीज हैं जो दिन ब दिन खत्म होते जा रहे हैं या कम होते जा रहे हैं. उन एनिमल्स को या उनके स्पीशीज को क्या बोलते हैं? एंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स. एंडेंजर्ड मीन दैट दे आर इन डेंजर. स्पेशल स्टेप्स एंड फ्रीक्वेंट एक्शन शुड बी टेकन सो दैट वी कैन सेव देम फॉर आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट एनिमल, दैट इज पेंगोलिन्स. Pangolins, also called the scaly anteaters, curl into a ball when threatened. Some pangolins, such as the African black-billed pangolin, live entirely in trees. Others live on land. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in the traditional medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. So the first animal that we are talking about here is the pangolins. जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is pangolins. So what are pangolins? Pangolins बेटा एक ऐसे ant eaters हैं, वो छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े वगैरह खाते. They are ant eaters. So pangolins are the ant eaters. Okay, and जब भी वो किसी danger में होते हैं, so whenever they feel that they are in danger, so they just make themselves converted, मतलब they अपनी बॉडी को रोल करके एक छोटी सी बॉल की शेप में ये कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन द पेंगोलिन्स फील दैट दे आर इन डेंजर, सो दे जस्ट क्लैप्स देयर बॉडी, वो अपनी बॉडी को छोटा सा एक इकट्ठा करके एक छोटे से बॉल की शेप में कर लेते हैं. ओके, some pangolins such as African black-billed pangolins live entirely in trees. कुछ जो पेंगोलिन्स, स्पेशली पेंगोलिन्स दैट आर फ्रॉम अफ्रीका, सो द पेंगोलिन्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू अफ्रीका दे लिव इन ट्रीज, तो वो ज्यादातर पेड़ों में रहते हैं. ओके, एंड अदर लिव्स ऑन लैंड एंड सम ऑफ देम लिव्स ऑन लैंड एज वेल. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Okay, so these pangolins are hunted for their meat. Okay, these animals are hunted. People use these animals as their food, as the meat. They like to eat the meat of the pangolins. Okay, so they hunt them. Okay, they keep hunting them. Okay, their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. Okay, so जो इनकी skin है, the skins of the pangolin and the scales that they are having on their body, as you can see in the picture, there are small scales on their bodies. Okay, so these scales and their skin is used as a medicine as well. So जो ट्रेडिशनल जो पहले मेडिसिन बनती थी, तो उसमें जो पेंगोलिन्स के स्केल्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर और जो उनकी स्किन है, दैट इज यूज्ड एज अ मेडिसिन. एज अ रिजल्ट पेंगोलिन्स हैव बिकेम हाईली एंडेंजर्ड, और जिसकी वजह से जो ये है दिन ब दिन खत्म होते गए, एंड एट लास्ट दैट एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई दैट दे हैव बिकम एंडेंजर्ड. ओके, सो पेंगोलिन्स आर द एनिमल्स. ओके, दे आर बिकमिंग दे आर गेटिंग एंडेंजर्ड डे बाय डे ड्यू टू देयर because people are hunting them for their meat. Okay, and their skin and the scales that they are having on their body, that are being used by the people for making medicines. Okay, so this is the reason why they are getting endangered day by day. Okay, moving next to the second one, that is snow leopards. So the second animal we are talking about is the snow leopards. Snow leopards are found in the Indian subcontinent and in the mountains of Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. They are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards, and the bones and the hides of the snow leopards are also sought after by the poachers. Okay, so the next animal we are talking about is the snow leopards. जो स्नो में पाए जाने वाले लेपर्ड्स होते हैं, ओके, वो दे आर ऑल्सो बीइंग एंडेंजर्ड. ओके, और जो ये स्नो लेपर्ड्स है ये कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? सो दीज स्नो लेपर्ड्स आर फाउंड इन द इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट एंड इन द सेंट्रल एशिया. Okay, so these snow leopards can be found in the Indian subcontinent as well as in the mountains of the Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. 1986 से जो ये स्नो लेपर्ड्स हैं वो endangered animals की लिस्ट में हैं. So from the year 1986 they have been listed as the endangered, one of the endangered animals list. Okay, they are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards. ओके, तो ये ज्यादातर जो हंटर्स हैं वो इनको द हंटिंग इज डन. ओके, तो स्नो लेपर्ड्स की बहुत ज्यादा हंटिंग होती है. जो लोग हैं जो हंटर्स होते हैं, दे जस्ट हंट दीज स्नो लेपर्ड्स एंड दे यूज देयर स्किन एंड देयर बोन्स फॉर सेलिंग, एंड दिस इज देयर जस्ट लाइफ स्टॉक. वो अपने जीने के लिए, मतलब फॉर देयर अर्निंग देयर लाइवलीहुड, दे kill the snow leopards and sell their skin and their bones in the market to earn. Okay, and hide snow leopards and also sought out after by the poachers, as well as their hunting is done by the people whose livestock is depend upon, whose livelihood is depend upon the snow leopards. Other than that, इसकी poaching भी होती है. Poaching means illegal hunting. Okay, so though hunting is illegal by the government, okay, गवर्नमेंट ने इसको इलीगल हंटिंग को इलीगल कहा है, बट some people for their fun, for their fun they killed some of the animals that are being endangered. Okay, if you remember, there sometime before the tigers in the world are getting extincted due to their over hunting and due to their poaching. तो लोग क्या थे, वो टाइगर्स और की जो हंटिंग करते थे, पोचिंग करते थे, जिसकी वजह से जो उनके नंबर्स थे कम हो गए. they were near about only 1100 something were left. Okay, but later on when the government came into मतलब जब गवर्नमेंट ने एक्शंस लिए, they have taken strict actions against the poaching and the illegal hunting. So what happens, this gradually the numbers is going to be keep on increasing. Now the tigers are not in the endangered animals list. So these are the various steps that needs to be taken to so that these endangered animals they does not came into वो extinct ना हो जाए, वो खत्म ना हो जाए. Okay. The third one is the leatherback sea turtle. The leatherback sea turtles are named so because they have leather-like shells. Okay, they are the world's largest sea turtles species. They are very important for the marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their numbers in check. Increased egg collection and capture have led to a steady decline in their number, making leatherback sea turtles critically endangered now. Okay, so the next animal that has been listed as an endangered animal, that is leatherback sea turtle. Why it is called leatherback sea turtles? Because of the back or because of the shell that a turtle is having, that this turtle is having, that is made of a substance like a leather substance like. Okay, जो इसकी जो shell है, the shell of this turtle, वो ऐसा लगता है कि that is made of a leather. So this is the reason, that's why this animal is known as leatherback sea turtle, because they are its shell seems like, मतलब उसकी shell है वो ऐसे दिखती है कि पीछे उसके leather जैसी shell है. So this is the reason why it is called leatherback sea turtle. Okay, they are the world largest sea turtle species. और ये दुनिया के सबसे बड़े turtles हैं. So leatherback sea turtles are the world's largest sea turtles. Okay. Next, they are very important for the marine life as they eat species of the jellyfish and keep their number in check. Okay, so as you know, there are lots of jellyfishes in the water. Okay, and these leatherback sea turtle, what they eat the species of jellyfish. So ये क्या करते हैं, jellyfishes हैं जो खाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो एक्सटेंसिव मतलब एक्सेसिव नंबर ऑफ jellyfishes हैं जो हमारे सी में वो हैं, वो उसका जो नंबर है वो कंट्रोल में रहता है. Okay, so they feed on jellyfishes. So they are also important for the marine life because due to their presence, because they eat jellyfish, due to which the number of jellyfishes they are being checked time to time. मतलब that means check means कि मतलब वो कंट्रोल में रहते हैं. देखिए एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज हार्मफुल, दैट यू नो. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट कि जो जेलीफिशेस हैं उनके जो नंबर्स हैं वो इंक्रीज ना हो, फॉर दैट these turtles are required because they feed on these jellyfishes. Other than that, increased egg collection and the capture has led to the steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. Okay, so देखिए क्या हुआ है कि लोग अब धीरे धीरे what happens, what is the reason behind their being endangered? So the reason behind their being endangered is because the people they collect their eggs. The eggs of leatherback sea turtles are being collected by the peoples, those who go for diving, जो diving के लिए sea diving के लिए जाते हैं, तो जो leatherback sea turtles के जो eggs होते हैं उनको collect करते हैं. Okay, and other than that जिसकी वजह से जो इनके जो eggs हैं, okay, जो लोग हैं मतलब वो उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो इनका नंबर है, जो नंबर ऑफ सी टर्टल्स हैं, ये leatherback sea turtles हैं, ये कम होते गए. एंड दैट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज दिस दैट देयर नंबर, और यू कैन से कि दे आर सो क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड. ठीक है, जो लोग हैं इनके जो एग्स होते हैं तो वो लोगों द्वारा कलेक्ट किए गए, दोज हू डू द सी डाइविंग, जो डाइविंग वगैरह करते हैं. ओके, नॉट द टर्टल ले एग्स ऑन द लैंड. ओके, सो वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट जो टर्टल्स होते हैं वो अपने जो एग्स हैं वो लैंड पे आके देते हैं, व्हाट वी कॉल इट, जमीन पे आके देते हैं. दे डोंट ले देयर एग्स ऑन इन द सी. ओके, सो द पीपल दे कलेक्ट देयर एग्स, जिसकी वजह से जो इनकी नेक्स्ट जो जनरेशन है वो आनी मुश्किल हो जाती है, हो गई. सो एंड लेटर ऑन द रीजन एक ऐसा आया कि दैट द नंबर्स नाउ दे हैव बीन क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड. Okay, so now leatherback sea turtles are being listed under the critically endangered sea turtles. Okay, so these are the leatherback sea turtles. The next one is Saola. Saola is also known as the Asian unicorn and is sighted rarely in the Ammonite ranges of Vietnam and the Laos. It was discovered only in 1992. They resemble cows as well as antelopes. They are recognized by the two long parallel horns with sharp ends. No Saola exists in the captivity and it has been recorded in nature only 4 times. Only 4 times. It is critically endangered due to destruction of its forest homes and also because of hunting. So the next animal that we are talking about, that is Saola. So Saola, they looks like unicorn. Okay, तो ये unicorn, cow and antelopes, इसका ये mixed structure का एक animal है. Okay, so this is a mixture of all these 3 animals. The unicorn है, काउ और द एंटीलॉप्स, इन तीनों मिक्सचर बना के दिस इज अ साओला. ओके, साओला की कहाँ पाया जाता है? सो दी जो साओला आर ऑल्सो नोन एज द एशियन यूनिकॉर्न्स. ओके, सो साओला इज नोन एज द एशियन यूनिकॉर्न्स. ओके, एंड दिस साओला केम इन टू द नॉलेज, और ये जो एनिमल साओला है, ये लोगों को इसके बारे में कब पता चला? इन द ईयर 1992. तो 1992 में आके लोगों ने इस एनिमल को देखा एंड दैट लुक सिमिलर लाइक अ यूनिकॉर्न और काउ और एंटीलॉप, बट इट इज अ डिफरेंट देन, मतलब उनसे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट इज द इसकी पहचान क्या है? व्हाट इज द फीचर ऑफ दिस साओला इज, ओके, दिस साओला हैज 2 स्ट्रेट हॉर्न्स. तो इसके जो साओला के 2 सीधे सींग हैं. Okay, 2 parallel horns with sharp ends, and the ends are very sharp. So the Saola has 2 sharp horns with the straight horns with the sharp ends. तीखे इनके जो ends है वो काफी तीखे हैं. Okay, and the one important thing that is being noticed, that these Saola, you can't keep a Saola in a captivity. ओके, सो आप इसको बंद करके, आप ये सोचिए कि इसको बंद करके जू में या मतलब एज अ पेट इफ यू वांट, तो यू कांट कीप साओला इन कैप्टिविटी. कैप्टिविटी मीन्स आप इसको बंद करके नहीं रख सकते. दे कांट सर्वाइव इन द कैप्टिविटी. दे नीड प्रॉपर एनवायरमेंट, दे नीड फॉरेस्ट. ओके, देयर होम इज ओनली फॉरेस्ट. They can survive only in the forest. They can't survive in the captivity. मतलब इसको बंद करके नहीं रखा जा सकता, otherwise they will die. Okay, this is the reason, because the deforestation is being increased day by day. Then homes are getting decreased. Okay, इनका जो घर है वो कम हो गया है. That is the forest. जो forest है इनका घर है, and due to the deforestation, okay, जो ये कम होते गए, जिसकी वजह से the number of Saola is being decreased. Okay. And other than that, they are being hunted also. So people hunted them also. This is all the another second reason of these the Saola being endangered, listed as an endangered animal. Okay, so Saola is known as the Asian unicorn. It looks like a cow and antelope, and it came into existence in the year 1992. People, or the, you can say, the forest department, the people who have searched him, they came to promote this Saola in the year 1992 only. But the important fact about the Saola is that you can't keep a Saola in the captivity. You can't keep it at a place. Okay, for Saola lives a open environment or a forest for live. Okay, so मतलब वो कहीं बंद करके आप नहीं रख सकते. And the second thing is they are being endangered because the number of forests are being decreased. This is the first reason that this Saola is being listed as an endangered animal. And the second reason is the illegal hunting. So hunting is the second reason. That's the reason why the Saola is being listed as an endangered animal. Okay, so this is the another animal that is being listed as the one of the endangered animal. Okay, now moving next. The next is the red pandas. Red pandas with a length of 2 feet only are only slightly larger than the domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. They mostly live in trees, and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. The loss of trees and the bamboos in the forest has caused a huge decline in the red panda's population. So the next endangered animal that we are talking about is the red panda. Red panda, what is it? The length of this red panda is just only 2 feet. So the length of this red panda is just only 2 feet. It is a very small cute animal with the red fur. ओके तो इसका रेड फर है एंड ये छोटा सा जस्ट 2 फीट का एक एनिमल है. ओके एंड ये जो कैट्स होती हैं उससे थोड़ा सा बस बड़ा है. सो ये थोड़ा जो कैट्स होती हैं, सो द रेड पांडा इज जस्ट लाइक अ कैट, द डोमेस्टिक कैट्स. ओके and they have bodies like a bear. So red panda looks like a bear. Okay, and they have thick red fur. They are having very thick fur of red color on their body. Okay, so they live on trees and as well as on bamboos. Okay, so जो ज़्यादातर जो red pandas है, they are mostly found in the eastern Himalayas. So you can commonly found red pandas in the eastern Himalayas. And now due to as they live in trees and the bamboo, and due to the deforestation, the number of trees and the bamboos which was their house is has been decreased. So this is the reason, that's why the number is also being decreased day by day. Okay, so most of the animals that are being endangered due to their लॉस ऑफ देयर होम्स ओनली. ओके, जितने भी आपने एनिमल्स अभी देखे डिस्कस किए हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर गेटिंग एक्सिस्टेड और बीइंग एंडेंजर्ड ड्यू टू द लॉस ऑफ देयर होम्स. ओके, जस्ट लाइक वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द साओला. ओके, एंड देन दिस रेड पांडा ऑल्सो. सो ऑल दीज एनिमल्स दे लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट. ओके, ये सब के सब फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, बट ड्यू टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन their number is being their house is being cut. Okay, so they don't have home, so they don't have place to live. So this is the reason that their number is being decreased day by day. Okay, and this red panda, this is also one of the reason that why the number of red pandas is getting decreased. Okay, so the red panda is a small animal, just only of 2 feet. Okay, and it is just like though it is look like a bear, its body structure look like a bear, but it is not cats. It just look like a small domestic cat. Okay, and the one other thing about their existence is that, okay, so most of the red pandas can be found in eastern Himalayas only. So the maximum number of red pandas can be found in the eastern Himalayas. And the second reason why they are getting extincted due to the loss of their homes. Okay, as the forest has been cut. Okay, so they don't have homes. So this is because they live in trees and on bamboos. And जब forest कटने की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, bamboos भी कम होते जा रहे हैं, trees भी कम होते जा रहे हैं. So they don't have places to live. So this is the reason that they are being getting endangered. Okay, so that is red panda. And this red panda has thick red fur on its body, so this is the reason that's why it is known as the red panda. Okay, the next one is the necks and the backs of the giant armadillos. Now we are talking about the next endangered animal, that is armadillos. The necks and the backs of the giant armadillos are covered with a flexible armor consisting of 14 to 17 movable bands of horns and bone. Their heads are protected by a similar oval shield. They can grow to 1.5 meter in length. They feed on termites and the small mammals such as mice and rats. They are endangered because of the poaching and the loss of habitat due to human settlement and agricultural development. Almost 50% of their population has been lost in the last 10 years. So the next animals that we are talking about is the armadillos. So ये armadillos क्या हैं? So they are having a flexible armor consisting of 14 to 15 movable bands of horns and bones. So what are armors? Armors means shield. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि जैसे सैनिक होते हैं, जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं, सो उनके पास एक, जिसको हम भाला बोलते हैं, एक भाला होता है जिससे वो अपने को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, राउंड शेप, प्लेट की शेप में राउंड शेप. ओके, सो दिस दैट इज एन आर्मर. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, नॉट इन दैट शेप. ओके, जो ये आर्मिडिलॉज होते हैं, इनके पास भी इनकी बॉडी के ऊपर एक कवच की तरह होता है, जिसको कि वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. ओके, and these armadillos can grow up to the height of 1.5 meter, sorry, to the length. So this is the length of that is only 1.5, that is 1.5 meter. So this is the length of an armadillos. Okay, and they are being, और ये खाते क्या हैं? They eat the termites. ये termites, rats और क्या हैं, छोटे छोटे जानवर होते हैं, termites हो गए, rats हो गई, okay, mice हो गई, इन सबको खाते हैं. And they are being endangered due to their loss of their homes as well. तो इनका होम क्या है? They live on the land. ठीक है, धरती में रहते लोग हैं जो, as you know that people, जो लोगों के घर हैं, जो एरिया कवर्ड बाय द पीपल आर गेटिंग इंक्रीज, तो जिसकी वजह से इनके घर कम होते जा रहे हैं. एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट की वजह से ज्यादातर जो एरिया है दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड बाय द पीपल फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज. ओके, दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड बाय द पीपल फॉर मेकिंग देयर होम्स. So once they so this is the reason that their houses are also getting decreased. Okay, so that's why they are also getting endangered. And the 50% of armadillos, जो 50% of armadillos हैं, they पिछले 10 सालों में उनकी जो संख्या है सबसे ज्यादा पिछले 10 सालों में कम हुई है. तो more than 50% of armadillos are being endangered in the last 10 years only. Okay, because the number of the humans are getting the area captured by the humans for their living is getting increased, and that is the reason that the area for the armadillos and the other animals जो हैं उनके रहने के लिए कम होता जा रहा है, and this is the reason why they are getting endangered. Okay, so now starting with the quick quiz now. Okay, so starting with the first one, which animal makes the longest migration in the world? So, कौन सा एनिमल है जो सबसे ज्यादा माइग्रेशन, लंबी माइग्रेशन पे जाता है? सो ड्यू टू, मतलब जब भी कोई वेदर ऐसा आता है कि दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव, सो दे जस्ट माइग्रेट टू सम अदर कंट्री और अदर प्लेस वेयर दे कैन लिव इजिली. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द एनिमल? दैट इज आर्कटिक टर्न. ओके, आर्कटिक टर्न. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन. दैट इज ARCTIC, Arctic tern. So these are the longest migrating birds. Second one, on which continent will you find the rare black spider monkey? Black spider monkey जो है वो आपको कौन से आइलैंड पे मिलेगा? Okay, you can find it. That is in South America. That is in South America. Black spider monkey can be found in South America. Third one, which subspecies of tiger is the largest of all? Tiger का सबसे largest species कौन सा है? That is Siberian tigers. Siberian, SIBERIAN. Siberian tigers are the largest tigers. Next, which endangered toothed whale is the largest? Okay, कौन सी टूथ वेल है जो सबसे बड़ी है? That is sperm whale. That is sperm whale. SPERM. Sperm whale. Moving next to the fifth one. The Cape hunting dogs or the hyena dogs are one of the world's most endangered animals and different from other dogs in having only 4 toes on each foot. On which continent are they found? So where these animals are found? So these dogs are found. So these dogs are found in Africa. So they have only 4 foot on their each leg. Okay, rest of the dogs have 5, but they have only 4. So they are found in Africa. They are found in Africa. Next one, name the apes, also called pygmy chimpanzees, which are found only in the rainforest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. That is bonobo. That is bonobo. That is bonobo. B-O-N-O-B-O. Bonobo. So what is bonobo? These are the apes, okay, जो कि रेन फॉरेस्ट है डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री, वहां पे पाए जाते हैं. सो दैट इज द नेम ऑफ अ चिंपैंजी. ओके, so class, this is our today's session. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next class. So till then everybody have a good day.